flat wall mounting. Hanging bin rail. Our bin rails are one of the most versatile accessories that we have, exactly built like our shelf supports. Newer additions to the accessory lineup are 15-inch deep drawer. Each drawer comes with mounting brackets, slide tracks, and dividers. Each mounting bracket set has a left front, left back, right front, and right back. Place those accordingly. Prior to assembling the mounting brackets, you'll want to secure the slide tracks directly on the left front and right front of each side mounting bracket. Install them at the same height that you see in this video. Once the mounting brackets are set at equal heights, use the set screw provided with the assembly instructions to secure the left back and right back mounting brackets. This prevents the mounting brackets from moving with the drawer fully extended and loaded down. Our drawer mounting brackets are built to allow for quantity 2 drawers to be stacked directly on top of each other. Once the slide tracks are installed, place the drawer directly on the slide tracks. You'll then install the shelf supports and shelf directly on top of the drawers you just installed. Each drawer has a 400-pound capacity. Now let's take a look at our 18-inch deep drawers. Each drawer comes with mounting brackets, slide tracks, and dividers. We recommend referencing each mounting bracket set has a left front, left back, right front, and right back. Place them accordingly. Once the mounting brackets are set at equal heights, use the set screw provided with the assembly instructions to secure the left back and right back mounting brackets. This prevents the mounting brackets from moving with the drawer fully extended and loaded down. Place the slide tracks, also noted with the right and left, at the desired height to allow for the drawer to sit flush below the steel shelf that's going to be installed directly above it. Our drawer mounting brackets are built to allow for quantity 2 drawers to be stacked directly on top of each other, creating a bank of 2 drawers. Once the slide tracks are installed, place the drawer directly on the slide tracks. You'll then install shelf supports and shelf directly on top of the drawers you just installed. Each drawer has a 400-pound capacity and can be added at any point in time throughout the construction of your lev rack. Quick run through of just new drawer installation directly within a lev rack. So what we're doing today is we're going to do a 36 by 18-inch drawer. Really simple, about 3 to 4 step installation. You'll have instructions within this packet that you've got here. These 2 pieces are pretty critical that you want to have in. We'll start with the mounting brackets that you've got. We've already got these installed here. These interface directly with the keyholes in the 4 corners of your mobile shelf you've got. This will be the backs. Here's where we're going to have the fronts. Key piece is to pick the height where you want. Again, fully adjustable so you can customize to what you're doing. Pick the height that you want as these drop directly in. Easy as that. Make sure that these are all level. But as you'll see, we've got 2 here on the right side, 2 on the left side. Key piece now with these small tech screws, you're gonna find a small hole within the rear mounting brackets that those tech screws are gonna go directly into. That's just gonna keep this from going up and down, and it fixes it to the back where a lot of that weight is leveraged on there. For the top drawer, you've got these labeled right, so these are gonna be the mounts for the actual sliders of the drawer. This goes on the right side. Gonna go on the second to top. Install the rear first, slide that in. These are gonna go on the top. That kicks in right there. So there's your actual sliders, the slider brackets for the drawers, installed onto the mounting brackets that we've got fixed. Sliding base that the actual drawer is gonna sit on. This is gonna interface with those brackets that you just installed. We're gonna get these in here. Make sure that your wheel base is set on all the sides here. Last piece is we're gonna put the actual drawer itself. It's gonna interface directly with those rollers. Our internal slat wall integrates